888 Whiskey Golf. We're going to Palm Springs, 2,500
City Airport.
Information Whiskey.
Good for you. Is it the grassy patch right there?
So you
Your
see,
1 o'clock?
you see the mountain?
Yeah.
The tall one?
Yeah.
Just on the base of it, there's a small, like, light reflecting something.
Yeah, I see that.
That's basically, I think, the terminal.
Oh, I was looking in the wrong place. That's a really good eyes on top there.
812. 5-8 Whiskey Golf, radar contact, 5 northwest of thermal at 2,000.
Right, video.
In front runway 31, altimeter 3013. 3013.
Okay, I'm ready for 10,000 checks.
Copy. All right. Going over to 10. Right. Belts are coming on. Crew belts, I'm set left.
Set right.
APU and bleeds. We will start and set for landing. Confirm APU.
Looks good.
Okay. And here comes the start. Back on the clock. We've got 30 and 30.
Copy.
And our high pumps are set.
And you can line me up for the RX.
You bet. And our avionics are set. Confirmed.
Confirmed. Yes.
5-8 Whiskey Golf, contact Palm Springs Tower.
And then runway heading is 310.
119.78 Whiskey Golf, correct?
That 31 in the box. Look good.
Looks good.
Copy that. We've got a good APU start. You're lined off. I see good magenta.
There's Sprint 812, contact Los Angeles Center 128.15, good day. 128.15, good day, Sprint 812. Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango, descend and maintain 4,000, advise the airport inside ahead of your right.
Challenger 1 Fox Tango, out 8 from 4,000, we've got the field size here.
Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango, cleared visual approach, runway 31 left.
Cleared visual approach, runway 31 left. 251 Fox Tango, thank you.
Alright, altitude 2,000, heading toward altitude DRX for now.
Copy that.
Launch
20
down.
miles from the field, above
Yes.
250. Leads are set.
Copy, 10,000 complete.
And we are standing by for before landing checks.
Yes, we are.
Can you look real quick what the ground frequency is?
Yes, it is 21.9.
1219 and tower?
Is 19.7.
1197, thank you, sir. Looking good.
Yep.
As always. Challenger.pilot. He doesn't smile, ever. Oh, he's smiling, ladies and gentlemen. You can't see it, but he is smiling. Throw a shout out for Pilot of Strength on Instagram. That's me.
Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango, contact Palm Springs Tower 119.7, good day.
251 Fox Tango, switch to Palm Springs Tower 119.7, good day. Palm Springs Tower, good afternoon. Challenger 251 Fox Tango checking in. Descending through 5 to 2,000 for the visual runway 31 left. We are 13 miles to the south.
Challenger 251 Foxtrot Tango, Palm Springs Tower. You're still radar contact. I show you about 12 miles east. Runway 31 left, clear to land and safe parking.
We're parking at Atlantic Aviation.
1 Fox Tango, roger. 1 Fox Tango, runway 31 left, clear to land.
1 Fox Tango, 31 left, clear to land.
Okay.
Okay, let's run. We have clearance to land, waiting on gear and flaps.
Okay.
Skyhawk 15 feet over Charlie.
It's going to be relatively late.
Go and
I'm going to lose the altitude first.
Departure to terminal at 2,500. 35 Charlie, roger. Continue right traffic, runway 31 right, and plan a right downwind departure
3
north
miles,
Interstate
1,300
10.
feet is a good place to be.
Yep.
Right traffic to your right. After that, right down departure north of the Interstate 153 over Charlie.
slow down.
Yep.
Let me know you're ready for flaps.
I will.
Yep.
Alright, give me gear first.
Gear's coming. 1200 to go.
And below 210 you can drop flaps 20.
Right, cleared for the option.
And bug 114.
31 white, cleared for the option. 153 Papa Charlie. Let's say whiskey off, right turn Foxtrot, echo to Atlantic this frequency. Good day.
Okay, give it a flaps.
Yep.
Echo to Atlantic this frequency.
Flaps coming down to 20. I see here in the green.
Flight
1, 2, 3 down unlocked.
Negative 153 Papa Charlie.
And below 175 you can drop flaps full.
You gotcha. Look good.
Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango traffic, midfield right downwind for the parallel runway 1,500 feet is a Cessna.
Challenger 251 Fox Tango looking.
Cessna 3 Papa Charlie, traffic on a 3.5 mile final parallel runway 1,700 feet Challenger. Traffic in sight, 153 Papa Charlie. 3 Papa Charlie, maintain visual separation from that traffic.
Yep.
We'll go.
And I confirm boards are.
Alright, before landing checklist, please.
8112
Once again, gears 1, 2, 3 down unlocked. Flaps is down at 30. Did you confirm?
I confirm.
Lights are on and landing clearance has been received.
Copy. And we are
Richmond 81 Palm Springs Tower Squawk 0245.
That's a beautiful place.
0245.
I gotta play golf here sometime.
I was thinking the exact same thing. Like, look at that fairway. All right, let's land the plane.
Exactly.
Glad slip.
Richmond 81 Palm Springs altimeter 3014. Radar contact 10 miles north of Palm Springs Airport. Altitude indicates 5,100. You can continue direct to the Regional Medical Center.
Yep.
Continuing direct, Richmond 81.
Job.
Copy.
One 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
National Aircraft Palm Springs Davis X-ray current, wind calm, altimeter 3014.
80 knots.
Okay.
Air controls.
Controls.
And you can make the next one is Charlie on the right.
Copy,
Or Juliet on the right, sorry.
251 Foxtrot Tango, turn right at Juliet, right on Charlie, the center taxiway, remain this frequency.
Right Juliet, right Charlie, your frequency, 1 Fox Tango.
That was a better brake application, huh?
It is.
329 Palm Springs Tower, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, exit 329.
Richmond 81 traffic, departing runway 31 left, straight out initially, it'll be an Embraer Legacy. Look for traffic, Richmond 81. Richmond 81,
Right on Charlie,
VFR
right? Yes.
traffic in the pattern, maintain VFR at or above 2,000 until advised.
After landing checklist complete, flaps coming up.
81.
No, stay on this frequency.
Copy.
And you can take a right on Charlie.
Copy, taking it right.
1 Foxtrot Tango, you make the right turn on Charlie and hold short of runway 31 right at Bravo, this frequency.
Right on Charlie, holding short, 31 right on Bravo, 1 Fox Tango. This is refreshing compared to the thunderstorms we had in Lauderdale.
Oh my God. It's a disaster.
Richmond 81 Embraer departing, just passing the tower now.
This is really cool. I've never been here before.
Richmond 81 have traffic. Richmond 81, roger, maintain visual separation from that traffic. You pass behind him, then proceed direct to the hospital, landing at the hospital beach
holding
on
short
risk.
31 right at Bravo.
Yes, we
Behind the
are.
traffic and direct to the regional Richmond 81. Foxtrot 329, traffic ahead and to your right, helicopter has you in sight, going to pass behind.
339.
Cessna 3 Papa Charlie, maintain VFR outer below 1,500 for now, and you make a normal right downwind departure.
After below 1,500, normal downwind departure, and we have helicopter inside 15 Papa Charlie.
3 Papa Charlie, roger.
And here comes Bravo.
Yep.
This is Bravo, right?
Yes.
Confirmed.
Foxtrot 329, contact SoCal departure, good flight.
26-7, thank you, sir. Good day. Happy holidays, Lexus 329.
Same to you. Reach Med 81, delete altitude restriction, advise landing assured, and remain that beacon code on the deck.
And there's our guy on the right.
81, roger.
Copy.
3 Papa Charlie, delete altitude restriction, own navigation.
Delete altitude restriction, ONAV 153 Papa Charlie.
Two 251 Fox Tango holding short, 31 right, Bravo.
1 Foxtrot Tango, cross runway 31 right at Bravo into the Atlantic Rim. Good day.
31 right on Bravo, crossing 2 Atlantic, 1 Fox Tango, thank you.
We're clear.
Yes, we are, finals clear. Lights are on.
You.
And lights are off.
Copy. Is that a T-34?
The Marines one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Looks similar to the
Med A1 landing
T6.
assured.
Yeah.
Reach Med A1, roger, thank you.
That is bringing me back 24 years, son.
Is that six-pack, or do they have some glass stuff? Looks pretty old.
Oh, dude, it's six, or it's yeah, it's 6-pack. There's no glass in that.
It's a 5-pack.
If that. Our egress was climb out, hope not to die.
That's one way to do it.
Yeah. Our emergency egress.